morning, guys. Welcome back to Full Tilt Grading. Just want to say thanks to all of our subscribers. We finally hit 1,000. We really appreciate it. Couldn't have done it without you guys. The video you guys are about to watch is going to be pouring some concrete, finishing up our gabions, and kind of getting this job all wrapped up. The job tip of the day is going to be, when you're working around heavy equipment, make sure that the operator knows exactly where the laborers are or the ground guys are, so nobody gets hit with the machine. Don't be scared. Yell when you walk past the operator. You're on your left or on your right or you're behind him. Make sure you guys have a safe plan, and just communication, eye contact is very important. We all have to make it home at the end of the day. Again, guys, thanks for your support. We really appreciate you guys. Please keep watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again. I think I got diesel on earlier. Wait, it went up. It was, I had my legs like this.
Accelerant. Perfect. You smell like diesel. Yeah. You always smell like diesel.
Alcohol pickles, because that's what I should smell.
No, it's very time for behind here.
I love diesel.
I gotta buy a lot of pins, man. I buried so many pins.
The good thing for you is, no offense, I'm the one that bought these ones you all buried.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Where'd you buy them?
From the Lowe's.
Oh.
Yeah, you ever go to Fazio's?
There. Got it. Got it. Why are you mad, bro?
So today's tip of the day is going to be, it's expensive to do the first time and even more expensive to do the second. So always make sure when you're forming your concrete, you do some overkill, you kick it right, make sure it's not going to go anywhere, especially with the wall. Once it blows out, there's no saving it. It's cheaper to take the time to do it once rather than redoing it a second time and getting the jackhammer out. That's the only way to fix a blown out wall, is a jackhammer.
I'll take it over. We could actually wait to do that, because we're going to pull a pipe out first.
Did you give us the go ahead on that?
Yeah. Where's that broom?
So we got the wall all finished. Put a broom finish on it. We have to put spray cure down in plastic. But it's on a PennDOT road, that's what they call for. So, gonna put some Acron 2000 on there and call it good. Hold on. Yep. I'm gonna go this way like this. That's fun. Ready? Slam dunk. Straight up, back to you. Back to you. Right there, now pull up. Now do what you want. Dude, you're pulling the whole thing, that's perfect.
Good.
So guys, it's working better than we thought. The pipe's coming right out from the other end. We thought we were gonna have to go from the other side and pull that one out that way. Can't ask for better than that.
Thank God for those ratchet straps.
I know, it sounds crazy, but they're secret piercing and they should do that work. Yeah guys, I gotta be honest with you, never really thought that it was gonna go that well, yanking those pipes out. I think we got pretty lucky. It went well, we're happy about it. Now we're on to the next task of ripping out those sandbags. So before we get these sandbags out, we're gonna take the silk sock out. And what the plan is to cut it into sections and then have Ed just crane it right on out. Make life a little easier. No. Yeah, I agree. Well guys, we got all the pipe out, all the sandbags out, all the silk sock out. Didn't really disturb the creek at all. Just a little bit, nothing major. We got our pump bag out as well. So we're really happy with the overall of this job. Turned out great. Got some more stuff up top to do. Got to put the fence back up, some grading, pull some forms. But in the creek work is all the way done. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.